If you keep saying that you want to get started with AI and you haven't yet, I'm giving you the permission to eat up, okay? Like, it is going to break, it's going to have some issues, and that is okay. All you need to do is on your Mac is go Command K, type in terminal, open it up, go and install either Claude, which I'll put up here, or Codex, which I'll put down here in the terminal, and then just go and jump in. And all you need to do after that is pick one workflow, just one. I don't care what it is, just pick a workflow. Why? Because all you need to do is get to that first aha moment. Once you get to that first, oh my God, this is crazy. I can't believe it can do this. That is all you need. Because from there, you're gonna be like, can it do this? Maybe it can do this. And all you have to do to get to that first moment is go, I want you to treat me like I'm a 6-year-old. I don't know anything. Explain everything to me step by step. So you could just go, I want you to write drafts for me in Gmail in my voice. Hey there, Claude. I am a 6-year-old. I have no idea what I'm doing. Please tell me what access I need to give to you, and also what else I need to do so you can write drafts in my language or my style into my Gmail. I don't want you to send them, I just want you to write the drafts. Or you could go, I've got a whole bunch of meetings on my calendar. They are driving me crazy. It is so busy, my calendar, okay? Can you help pull against these resources? And you could be a little bit more cheeky about it and go, I want to pull from Notion. I also want to pull from my emails about that client or person. And I also want to pull from my service program or, along those lines. And all you have to do is go, hey, Claude, treat me as if I'm 6 years old. Go tell me what access I need to give you to Notion. What access do I need to give you to my Google Calendar? What access do I need to give you to my service program? Walk me through it as if I'm a 2-year-old, and expect that it's going to make a fair few mistakes to start off with that first go round. But once you see that, oh my God, it can pull this, it can pull that, and it can put it all together for me in a format that works for me. Oh my God. And this is the amazing thing about AI, and this is why everyone's trying to push you, or if you don't understand it yet, this is why we're trying to push you towards, check it out, try it out. It is crazy. It's because it has a compounding effect. It's like investing. You get that one thing right, okay? Like, for example, for me, 5 weeks ago, I had 2 agents, a personal assistant and a finance assistant. Both doing great things, cool. They were OpenClaw, I had heaps of issues, nothing wrong with OpenClaw, it works great. Hermes came along, it's much better. I made a video about that and how I do my setup. You can go check it out on my channel. Okay, but what happens now is I've got like 20 to 25 agents and I can spin up an agent in a day. I've built an agent to build other agents. I've built an agent for my kids to help them with their tutoring and their violin lessons and their piano. Not so I don't spend time with them, but to actually help them with stuff that I don't understand how the certain scale works, and to make homework and stuff more fun and interesting for them because, let's be honest, my education was boring and it sucked. I wanted it to be more fun. I had a great teacher in year 5 and that was really cool. He made maths fun. I want to make English and maths and science and all this stuff fun for my kids. So that's why I built it. This is a compounding effect about AI that I want to get across to you. Just give yourself the permission, okay? Go after this video, shut down whatever you saw on YouTube Shorts or YouTube videos. Please just turn it off. Command K, go to the terminal, install either Claude Code or Codex for me. Come back and comment on the video. Tell me what you did, tell me what workflow you did. I want to hear it. I can't stress enough how important it is to understand the amazing things that AI can do for you and how it's going to be able to let you enjoy life more because you don't have to do the things that you don't enjoy doing anymore. You can have AI do that for you and take advantage of it while we've got it all subsidized by the VC capital. Enjoy it while it's cheap. It's going to get more expensive, I believe. I could be wrong, but I believe it'll get more expensive once the VC money dries up and they've got to make their money. So enjoy it now. Get things working. systemize them into Python or other languages, so they're actual processes. But all you have to do is get that one run on the board. So if you do anything today, please, I beg of you, turn the video off. Command K, terminal, Codex or Claude, pick a workflow or something like, oh my God, I hate this. Help me do something about this, Claude. Can you help me do this? And then walk me through it. And then come back and talk to me and tell me what you did, or if there's any issues, I'll be glad to help. I hope that gets you going today. I hope you start with AI. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.